we have to find values of x and y. We have given on this diagram two parallel lines. This triangle, red triangle, means that this line is parallel. If you extend this segment, we have parallel line 2. And let's put that this is our transversal. This line passes these two parallel lines. What else we have here? We have here vertical angles, and we know that vertical angles are congruent. So measure of this angle is the same like that angle. So here we have 65 degrees. Now we can use consecutive interior angles theorem. Let me write here this. Angles 45 degrees and x plus 65 degrees are consecutive interior angles. Let me remind you of the definition. The angles which are between these two lines which are crossed by transversal and which on the same side of our transversal are consecutive interior angles. And by consecutive interior angles theorem, we have that angles 45 degrees and x degrees plus 65 degrees are supplementary angles. So let me write that angle 45 degrees and x plus 65 are supplementary. What it means that 45 degrees plus x degrees plus 65 degrees is equal 180 degrees. Now we can combine the like terms. Let's forget about degrees. So we have x is equal 180 minus 45 minus 65. So we have x is equal 70. So we find value of x. Next we have to find value of y. Because again this angle and that are vertical angles, so they have the same measure. They are congruent. So here we have y degrees 2. So now again we can use alternate interior angles theorem now. When we have two parallel lines which are cut by transversal, then the pairs of alternate interior angles are congruent. Let me remind you that alternate interior angles are angles which are between these two parallel lines and on opposite sides of our transversal. This is our transversal. So angle y is the same like that angle. So y is equal, y degrees is equal 45 degrees. So let's forget about degrees. We have that y is equal 45. So this is my solution.